Wonder what we're gonna do today. I don't know. Wait, what is that over there? Yeah, what is that? I am Smurfmonger. Smurfmonger? Yeah, more like Smurfmonger these nuts. Oi, don't make fun of my name. I'm gonna come and attack you now with a bullet. Hi, dog. Wait, what is that? Wow, that's cool. Oh. Where did it just go? Wait, what just happened to me? Wow, it looks like I have an iron form. Wow, I shall be called Iron Bird. But first, let's defeat this guy first. Why is there a laser in my eye? Take this. Looks like I easily defeated him. Now let's go back to my normal form. There, now I'm back in my normal form. Let's head back to the couch.